Alright, finally made it out. It was a little sketchy. Damn, I'm loaded up. Oh, the sun just came off. Felt it. Dang. Lost the hardtail. Alright. Got me a duster. Go through his nose. Hook this guy right in the back of his fin. And drift him out back. See if we can get one. Fish on, guys. Ah, Jesus. Not sure what it is. Not sure what it is. I think it's bonita the way he ran. Could have been a bonita, but I'm not sure. But he took off. He's right here. He's pretty close. Had to wear my other lines. I can't tell right now. Make sure my drag's loose. He probably won't take off again. Sun glare, I can't really see him. Don't have no sunglasses right now. Feel some tail kicks. Okay, I think it's a bonita. It's a good shark bait. That thing took off though. Yep, bonita. Nice. This side bonita. First shark bait for the charter. And one thing, this little guy took off. I mean, he got the Yozeri. Got him in the gills too, so you know he's gonna bleed. It's gonna be a bloodbath. I'm trying to get you off without messing you up too bad, buddy. I don't want you to bleed out. Get my bait. Nice. Get him. Uh-oh, that's got thumped. Got thumped again. Oh, that's a good fish. That's a good one. That's a good fish. Yeah. He's pulling me. Come on, baby. Oh, he told me. He's told me. Oh, it's a stud.
What?
Stud.
Stud snapper?
Yeah. Hey, come over here real quick. I need your net. I might be able to get him. Oh, dang. My backlashed. Seth, I need you to come. I got a gaff.
Yeah, I got the net.
Come hither. Extendo toss in 3, 2, 1. Athleticism. Thanks, buddy. Got a nice little 27, 28 incher. Let's get it, boy.
Damn, son.
Yeah.
Watch your legs, look at the belly, that's a football.
Watch your leg, look at the belly, it's a football. I need to start making quotes for you, man. Quotes by Seth.
Quotes by Seth, smart from the neck down.
Damn, These birds of prey, 4 times talon talon hooks, man, they get them stuck every time. Offset on them? Oh yeah, 100%. Beautiful red snapper. Thank God it's still in season. He's regurgitating. Look at this thing. Stop it. You're mean to me. I'm gonna measure him just because I'm curious how long he is. He'll think he's about 25, 26, 25 inches on the dot. Extend on that. 3, 2, 1. Good catch, buddy. You want to water anything, man?
Oh, I'm straight, thank you though.
Probably gonna bleed him.
Dude, that's what I do with my sheep's head when I'm heading in. That's probably what I'm gonna do. Oh damn, well you go ahead and do the whole
Nah, I won't bleed him now.
Oh, you just... Yeah. Damn, so that's a good one.
I'll take him. Alright guys, we caught that snapper. About to unload this kayak, get everything rinsed off, head to the store, get some fresh vegetables and ingredients. We're about to make some fresh ceviche. Let's get it, dude. Alright guys, first step, you get your snapper fillet. And you're going to cut that bloodline out right there. Because remember, we're cooking this fish with citrus. You don't want no fishy taste at all. It's a small bloodline. Not too bad, because when you bleed your fish, you don't have to worry about it. Now, the smaller you cut the pieces, the quicker it's going to cook. I like going to cut it in strips. Like so. I'm going to cut it in little bite-sized chunks. Like that. Beautiful white meat, bled fish. Just go ahead and cut these fish real quick. Nice chunks. Now that we got our fish nice and cut up, we're gonna go and put some fresh lime juice on this bad boy. We squeeze fresh lemon, fresh lime juice on here. So you want to lightly coat it just so it's covered on top. You want to put it in the fridge and let it cook. Now some people say cook it for over 24 hours, and some people would say a couple hours. It's up to you guys. No matter if you like a raw fish or you like it fully cooked. I like to do it for at least six hours or so. Give it a nice lemon flavor. Now I'm gonna cover this up, put it in the fridge. We're gonna need today, just a couple of them. I ain't gonna make it super fancy, but it's ideal vegetables you need for ceviche. I ain't gonna make it spicy because I want to have my kids eating it. But first vegetable is gonna be, this is an avocado, tomato, bunch of limes. You need a bunch of these limes right here. Good old-fashioned cucumber. And of course, what tops it all off, some good old cilantro. I love using cilantro in almost a lot of my dishes I cook. Super fresh tasting. It's great. I love it. One ingredient I did forget to tell you guys, was a good old red onion. It gives a nice little pop texture, and it gives a nice little crunchiness to it. We got all the vegetables. Let's go ahead and cue the B-roll. Let's get the cut. Alright guys, got all my vegetables cut up. Let's go check out this fish. Fish has been sitting in the lime for about 6 hours or so. And as you can tell, look how white that is. It's already cooking. Looking good, looking good. So what we're going to do is drain some of this juice out and go ahead and mix it with our vegetables. Alright, there's our fish. Nice white red snapper. Go ahead and pour it in our vegetables, like so. Give it a nice toss. Avocados, red onions, cilantro, tomatoes, and of course red snapper. Now you want to go ahead and salt the pepper to taste as well. It depends on how much salt and pepper you like. Just do it to taste. Alright, here's our fresh ceviche. You'll put it on a cracker. Want Daddy to get the first bite, or do you want the first bite? Okay.
I like potatoes.
And 8 potatoes. That's good. Very fresh tasting. Probably one of the best ways you can cook a fish, especially white fish like that.
I don't like the onion.
You don't want the onion? Okay, no onion. What about tomatoes? You like tomatoes? What about cucumber? You want a cucumber? Okay. Let's add Maya. Give Maya a bite. Big bite. Yeah, good? This is very simple to make. There's very little effort and time to prep. I'll leave all the ingredients down below in the description. And hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you'd like more Catch and Cooks, just comment below and I'll start making some more of them. And happy 4th of July. Have fun with the family shooting fireworks. Say happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July.
Alright, bye.